Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for one of my favorite videos to make. This is a Thredup rescue box unboxing video, and it's a shoe box. Yay! Shoebox, shoebox. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please know that I share the bloopers, which is really the best part of the entire video, at the end of the video. So please watch all the way through, stay for the videos so that you can laugh at me as I try to make YouTube content. I buy these boxes to resell on eBay and Poshmark. I've been selling online for almost 10 years, mostly clothes, fashion, and shoes. I've been selling a lot of shoes lately, so I'm so excited to get some more. And I haven't done a shoebox in a couple of months because I made a promise to myself, you cannot open another Thredup shoebox until you have cleaned the shoes and photographed them and listed them. Do your resellers ever do that? Kind of set up these goals for yourself, or like these rewards? Like if you list the shoes, you can order another Thredup shoebox. It's actually really helpful so that you don't end up hoarding a ton of inventory. I've been honest with you guys before. I am not the best at the DIY. Thredup rescue boxes are DIY boxes. For some reason, they did not take these items or they didn't sell on Thredup, so they end up in these inexpensive rescue boxes. I'll pop up on the screen what it costs. It's 15 pairs of shoes, I believe, for $100, but I'll pop it up how much I paid for it and what the cost is per item per pair of shoes for this box. So here we go, let's get into this box. I have to get these out first because they're so cute. Look at this. I'm filming this in June 2021. Animal print, especially leopard print, is still totally hot. These are Toms. Toms usually sell for me in like the $20 plus shipping range, but this is a unique pair. I'll let you know sizes and stuff. If you fall in love with a pair of shoes in this haul, just message me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen or thegratefulqueen@gmail.com and we can work out a deal. Why is my camera flipping out? Like it's like, is it saying it's trying to focus but it's having trouble? I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. This camera's awesome. It's the Canon M50. It's linked in the description section. If you're a vlogger or a YouTuber and you get ready to want to upgrade, check out my Amazon link because this camera's amazing. I just still need to learn how to use it. These are a size 10, so that's awesome. They're super clean. They just need a little bit of work. That's what slows me down often, you guys, with shoes. As a reseller of shoes, I'm just looking for the other one. Here it is. As a reseller of shoes, it slows me down because every pair of shoes in this box will need some work. Even if it's just cleaning up, some will need polishing, some need repairs, they might be flawed. But I do make good money on the shoe boxes. These are cute, some booties. I love an ankle boot. These look like they have some wear, but let's see what they are. This is a black suede, what I call a booty. So if it's a shorter boot like this, I'll call it a booty or an ankle boot. These are black suede. The suede needs to be cleaned up. I'm not seeing any kind of brand, and this buckle probably goes all the way around, so it's probably nice. These are Ecote, E-C-O-T-E. That's
Urban Outfitters.
Urban Outfitters. I don't see a size on these. That is one of the challenging things about the Thredup boxes. And this brand in particular, the Urban Outfitters, I think they like put a sticker on them so the size is not inside. These are cute. There's a lot of wear on the suede, but these will definitely sell because they're really stylish and classic. But I do have a suede cleaning kit. It's by UGG. It's in the description section below. It's like $20 or less. And it's like a suede cleaner, conditioner, protector. It has the suede brush. So I'm not intimidated by cleaning up suede because I have the right tools. I have a bunch of videos on how I clean handbags for my business, shoes, because you definitely need the right tools in this business. These are so cute. This is like an espadrille, but it's really natural. It looks like a natural fiber there. They're a size 9 DV. I wonder if DV. So I think these are Dolce Vita. I think that's sold at like Macy's. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience with these brands or selling shoes, anything that we can learn from. It would be appreciated, friends. I just sold a pair of Dolce Vita boots for like 35 bucks, brown suede boots. Espadrilles, I want to try and get these up soon because this is a really great summer shoe. I don't see a tag though, once again. So what do I do with several pairs of shoes that don't have a size? Here's what I do. I measure them. I estimate, and I'll say, I think these are an 11, let's say. And I will tell them there's no tag in the listing, and then I'll measure them, and then what I'll do is I'll compare it with another shoe. And I'll take a photo for my eBay or Poshmark listing. So like these are a 10, we know they're labeled. So if I put these up, I'm like, oh gosh, these Dolce Vitas, they've got to be like an 11 or 12. So I'll try and find a similar shoe that I have, line them up, and I'll take a photo saying, here's a photo of them alongside another shoe, because obviously it's hard to sell shoes without the size. People want to know what size. Okay, these are nice. Ralph Lauren. This is a flip-flop, but it's leather. You can see the Ralph Lauren there. As I'm looking at these, I'm asking myself, Quemby, why don't you pick up more Ralph Lauren? Whenever you get it in rescue boxes, it sells. People like the brand, it's good quality, but when I'm out there sourcing, I don't necessarily pick it up when I see it, and I'm wondering why not. I think I need to open up to this brand a little bit more. Hoping these are genuine leather. I'm doing the smell test, which is kind of like even worse with shoes, right? Like who wants to smell shoes? I don't see a size tag on these either. They look like they're probably like a 6. Eek, I don't love that about Thredup rescue boxes, but do what you gotta do. Gentle Soles by Kenneth Cole, 7.5. If these fit my mom, I would try and make her wear them because these are a really attractive black leather shoe. They're kind of like a combo of a sneaker and a sandal. They're perforated. These are like really interesting to me, and they look excellent. 7.5, the Luca straps, flat, number 2, upper leather and lining leather. So this is a really quality shoe, and these look like new. Like, I don't know if anyone's worn these. Aren't these kind of like a unique shoe? Like, I love a comfort shoe. I'm 45 years old. Gone are the days where I'm squeezing myself into some uncomfortable shoe because I want to look cute. No, now I want both comfort and stylish. So there's a few brands I personally love. One of them is Earth, just Earth period, not Earth Origins or anything like that. It's just Earth. They're very pricey, but they're great quality. I still love Born. Born make great quality leather shoes that are really comfortable. All right, these are standing out to me. These are bright pink. They feel amazing, and it's Okabashi. No idea. Anyone know this? Okabashi? Size medium. These are a flip-flop. They kind of reminded me of like, what's that brand that I think is not a very attractive shoe, but everybody, Crocs. But these feel, I'm
stumped for words, which doesn't happen that often because I've got words.
These feel absolutely amazing. These could be something good. They're kind of heavy and squishy, and I don't know, everything about them, those are awesome. Okay, we have some Converse. These are so popular again. Converse All-Stars in a size men's 5 or women's 7. These are in pretty good shape. They're a gray Converse All-Star, and then they have kind of like a red accent there. These, I'll give them a little cleanup, but they look really good. See how the white part? So if I buy something called a magic eraser, and I just clean the whole shoe, and then I wipe the magic eraser on there, and it kind of brightens the whites. Do you guys use magic erasers? There's all sorts of products similar. I also get an old toothbrush, a retired toothbrush, and it's the perfect size to like scrub the outsides of shoes like that. I'm getting a lot of summer stuff. I got a pair of boots and sneakers, but a lot of kind of sandals and summer stuff. So Apartment 9 Refined Comfort. This is an espadrille. It's an espadrille if it has this like natural fiber near the sole here, this straw. Apartment 9 is not an expensive brand. These are a 9.5. They're textile, so faux vegan leather. Do you guys do that? Say vegan leather. It sounds better than fake leather. That's a really cute shoe. I bet the retail on this wasn't very high. I think these are sold, apartment 9 is at Kohl's or something like that. But that is a nice looking neutral shoe. I'm looking at all the different ways I can show you the shoe. The side view, the front view, the bottom view. I don't know if there's like a good way. Those are nice. Nice shoes. I sell all the shoes. Oh my goodness, I'm getting something good. You know what I'm crossing my fingers for in here, you guys, is Tory Burch. I have many Thredup shoe boxes on the channel. So if you love these unboxings, I have an entire Thredup unboxing playlist, but specifically shoes, I have several other videos. And I often get a pair of Tory Burch ballet flats or heels or something, and that's usually what helps pay for the box. I usually need to sell at least 3 pairs of shoes or something to pay for the box, and then everything else is profit. So I'm praying for some Tory Burch, but these are Rebecca Minkoff, which is another good designer. These are a black leather slide, just a gorgeous black leather slide and in fantastic shape. They just need a little wash off. These are a size 7.5. I'm getting a lot of 7.5s, which is awesome because sometimes you get these boxes and it's like size 5, size 5. Nothing against size 5, but they're just harder to sell because I think the average women's shoe is between like a 7 and 8. Is that correct, you guys? So that's obviously what you're going to get and sell more of. But I love having different sizes, like unique sizes, large sizes, wide or narrow, because I think those people have a harder time finding exactly what they need at the thrift store or at a store, so they come onto eBay. These are awesome. These are Clark's Artisan. Do you guys just love Clark's? This is just like a bootie, a low bootie with a high stacked heel in black. Artisan, I think, is one a little bit higher end for them, size 7.5. Did I get like the entire woman's shoe? Like, do you guys think about that? Like some woman size 7.5 just threw all her shoes in and they said, put it all in this rescue box. Maybe they're not clean enough. Maybe it's out of season. These are gorgeous. I love Clark's because they are an attractive shoe and a comfort shoe. If those are my size, but the heel is pretty high. A reseller tip, I hope to load these videos with tips and tricks for reselling on eBay and Poshmark or anywhere you sell online. But I always measure the heel in my listings. I don't like getting a lot of questions from buyers. It's more time for me. I have to go into my inventory, pull items out. So I try and put as much information in the description section of my listings to avoid all those questions. I always measure the heel. So I'll say heel measures this many inches. Heels. Oh, I got 2 pairs here. These are White House Black Market. That is a pretty kind of beige or nude pink, very high heel, size 9 with a leather outsole. So that's an expensive shoe. If they are paying to have the leather on the bottom tread be genuine leather, that's an expensive shoe. I don't know what White House Black Market retails for. I don't have a lot of luck selling like stiletto and stuff heels. Do you guys? These have some dings and scuffs. They look good overall, but there's some minor stuff. So I'll clean them up and I will note all that. Who can wear these? Like, this is gorgeous. This would be so attractive. This would be such a beautiful addition to your outfit. But who can wear like a 4-inch heel? Can you? If you can, that is so amazing and I'm really jealous, but I'm like comfort shoes all the way. These are pretty, whatever these are. I don't know what these are, but they look good. These are Stubbs Palm Beach, Stubbs and Wooten. I don't know. Maybe these are nothing, but I feel like I've seen pictures of loafers like these with these embroidered fronts, like in BOLO lists on Instagram and stuff. So I'm putting money on that these could be good. I don't know anything about them, but they look like quality. Often you can look at the bottom of the shoe and say, where's it made? And again, these are made in Spain. That's a good sign. And it's a genuine leather sole. Now these do have some wear, but the shoe itself, they're like velvet. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Could this be like a sailor's wheel on there? I do not know, but I'll pop it on the screen if these are good. And I'll be praying they're good because I have the Rebecca Minkoffs, I have those. Then I've got a lot of bread and butter. I still have more shoes in here, but I've got a lot of like Kenneth Cole, Clark's, Tom's. You know, those are more like $20, $25 flips, so I would love to get something good. What are these? I don't know. These are Casadei, made in Italy, so that's good. These have got a lot of wear, but let's take a look at what these are. Look at this. It's like there's so much there, it's hard to start to describe. These are pointed toe, and there's so much going on. Made in Italy, size 8, Casadei, C-A-S-A-D-E-I. So that's good. They're like, they have a lot of heavy hardware. Like, look at this big gold buckle on the front, and then this almost looks like ostrich leather or something like that. These are a unique shoe. They need to be cleaned up, but there's nothing really wrong with them. These could be something good, so we are gonna look these up. I wish I could wear these gorgeous shoes, but I just know I wouldn't last a minute in them. 2 more pairs left, and we've got, whoa baby, look at these platforms. Fabric. Yoki, Y-O-K-I. There's a sticker on the bottom. That doesn't necessarily mean anything, but often if there's a sticker on the bottom instead of like a shoe size, then they might be lower end. They have a name in here, and I don't know what these are, you guys. Sylvie, Skylar, and then that might say size 40. I can't even 20. So I don't know what this is. It's kind of neat. It's like a fabric floral, very high platform. Anyone know this brand Yoki? Yoki. I like saying Yoki. Last but not least, we have something that's got a thrift store. These were obviously at the thrift store because they've got that, like, whatever that is, that gel pen or whatever, permanent marker. These are a very size small black booty with studs and everything, and the brand is 9 West Vintage American Collection. I don't know. Just a pair of, like, slip-on black leather heels with all this detail, so there you go. 15 pairs of shoes, a couple that I need to look up, plenty of bread and butter that I can make my money back on. Thanks for joining me. I love having you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Thanks, guys. Love you. Bye. All right, babies. Let's get into a good spot where we can all see my head's cut off. So go back a little bit, not jangly like that. Is that good? Hopefully it's good. Yeah. Okay, I can feel my heart beating because I love a Thredup rescue box so much. This flap is going to be the thing I complain about the whole time, but it happens every time, so I don't know why I even complain about it. Okay, good. All right, let me try one of these on, like, because my mom needs cute and comfy, but, those are cute. Those look really cute on. I wish there was a way to show you in the video that wasn't weird, but that's weird. I always try like that, and it never works. Don't do it, don't do it. In all my listings, here's another reselling tip. In all my listings, I put, oops, let me get, it is a pointed toe heel. Is it blurry? It's pointed toe. I'm trying to let you guys see it, but it's not, like, focusing. There's me. There's the shoe. Rebecca Minkoff. Is that backwards for you guys? I can't really tell. I should be good. Hope it's not backwards. Rebecca Minkoff is a higher end brand. It does look backwards, though. I wonder if I've got the camera setting wrong. It wouldn't surprise me one bit. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm trying to make these videos. It's enjoyable for me. Hopefully you're getting something out of it.